Hi everyone. So welcome to GATE Aerospace ECS Academy YouTube channel. And this session is going to be on the mapping. Okay, one of the important mapping for all the core subject. Okay, section wise as well as the topic wise and special topic wise. I'm just going to map all the topics which are given in the aerospace engineering syllabus. Okay, with the mathematics. Okay, so as everybody knows that if you're not good at maths, right? Okay, so you cannot perform well in GATE examination as far as GATE aerospace engineering is concerned or any other branch per se, right? So you take up any paper, GATE paper, you might have seen that the very first subject that is mentioned in any engineering syllabus is engineering mathematics. Okay, so one of the important part that we ignore, in fact most of the institutes also ignores. Okay, they never talk about, in fact most of the institutes they never talk about the important mapping, right? Mapping is one of the important fact. That is the reason many students fail to qualify in the GATE examination despite taking up the coaching center as well, right? Online coaching, and despite wasting 30 to 50,000 rupees on GATE aerospace engineering, and they land with 20 marks or just 15 marks. Some people also have got less than zero, as I have shown you the GATE 2024 statistics, right? So I was thinking that the idea that I always share to my students, those who have got this year IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, and many IITs from the GATE Aerospace Engineering, right? To them I have mentored for engineering mathematics and aptitude, as well as I shared this PDF. Okay, this is one of the important mapping. Please do remember. Though after I release this video, many institutes are going to copy my videos. Okay, my content. Definitely they are going to copy, because they are copying my content from mathematics as well. They are copying my content on aptitude as well, right? So in fact, I have created everything, right? So they are copying. Okay. So this session is exclusively belong to ECS Academy, and I'm the guy, and my team has created this PDF document. Okay, and so I'm just going to tell you the mapping between all the core subjects, all the core topics along with the mathematics. So if you're good at mathematics, okay, before you get started any subjects, so you can become confident, and you can understand, you can establish a great understanding, okay, of understanding of each and every topic given in the GATE syllabus, right? So let us move ahead. So as you can see, this syllabus, this is a mapping document, mapping, okay. And as I have started recently this YouTube channel, right, the GATE Aerospace ECS Academy. So this is my WhatsApp number if you want complete guidance. For GATE 2025, the guidance is totally free. Okay, the GATE 25, the guidance is totally free, but from the GATE 2026, okay, we are about to launch the paid courses. Okay, and that will certainly give you a perfect idea to crack GATE and get into IITs and ISC, right? The way my all student have got, right? So so you can see here, to prepare for aerospace engineering, right, syllabus effectively, it is crucial to map the core and special topic in each section. Okay, to the relevant engineering mathematics concept. Okay, so if you're not able to map, if you don't know in which topic of engineering mathematics you must be good at before you get started your aerospace engineering subjects, in fact, let me tell you, if you are not good at mathematics, I have seen many teachers also, okay, who claim that they are IITian, and they have been teaching this GATE aerospace from the past 10 years. They also struggle in mathematics. Why? The reason is they don't have time to recapitulate their mathematics. Okay, whenever they teach any subjects, let's say structure, okay, or any other subjects, understand, I've seen with my naked eyes. In fact, many students also told me, okay, during their classes, right, they struggle solving the questions, okay, because of this mathematics, right? Why? The reason is they are teaching the core subjects, but they do not have time to recapitulate the basic mathematics which is required. Let's say you are understanding any concept and there is a mathematics, like there is a application of linear algebra, matrices, right? Rotation matrix, okay? So if you don't have complete knowledge about rotation matrix, okay, then how can you explain any core topics? How can you explain any core topic? I'm just coming to that, okay, each and everything, right? So uh, there is no problem at all, okay. Not only students are facing this problem, the teacher who teaches this aerospace and claims that they have been teaching for more than 10 years, okay, they also struggle. That is the fact of life, okay. I'm not going to name those teachers because okay, but many students knows them, okay. So to prepare for aerospace engineering syllabus effectively, but in my team, remember, okay, in my team, since I'm guiding to everyone, okay, I'm mentoring to all, right? How you have to, get through the subject, okay, because you have to always emphasize on mathematics as far as the aerospace engineering is concerned, okay. So to prepare for aerospace engineering syllabus effectively, it's crucial to map the core and special topic in each section to relevant engineering mathematics. This approach will help in understanding the fundamental mathematical tool required for each topic. Okay, so these are the mathematical tools, okay, which are essential, to be able to understand the fundamental concept of each and every topic. And here is how you can prepare for each section and map the required topics, okay, required mathematics, right? So let me move ahead and go to next part, okay. So as you can see here, the very first, the moment you open up your syllabus. In fact, I will urge all the semester going students, right? Those who are currently at any university or college in India doing BTech in aerospace, right? Okay, or aeronautical engineering, right? So they must be good at mathematics, guys. Okay, in order to boost their score in GATE examination, also they will be good at design part and everything. Okay, so their analytical skill must be good, okay. So the very first section that you will find in your GATE examination syllabus is the engineering mathematics. This is only the reason, okay, but most of the people ignore it. In fact, people who provides classes also, they do not emphasize on this mathematics properly. They just want just some formula and some PYQ must be over, that's it. There is no closer mapping. But in my case and classes that I have conducted anywhere, okay, those sessions are being sold also, right? Without my consent and agreement, right? So these are the like I have told people, okay, I have told all the candidates, all the aspirant, okay, of GATE 2024, and you have to have the close examination of each and every topic of mathematics, and you have to find the key connection with your special and core topics of your aerospace engineering so that you can establish a great understanding. Okay, so this is only the reason. Remember, if you're not good at maths, you will not be able to crack GATE exam, and that is the reason you fail it. And the 1,000 people only are getting qualified in entire India. Okay, so fine. So let's move ahead. So engineering mathematics core topic linear algebra is there, right? So in linear algebra, you have to study about vector algebra, matrix algebra. See, this is a topic people ignore it. In linear algebra, what they do is they simply talk about matrix and determinant. They simply talk about matrix and determinant, and that is taught in class 12. That's it. Okay. You open up any current live classes, I think many students, those who are enrolled at this moment also, they will find they are only exposed to matrix and determinant. Okay, the matrix and determinant that is taught in the class 12th, right? They're not taught any sort of vector algebra, like what is vector space. And you know that the vector space is nothing but the heart of linear algebra. But in my class, if you get a chance to watch my mathematics classes, you will find complete you can say complete concept of linear algebra I have discussed, right? From very basic, I have solved all the problems. Understand? I did not only focus on matrix and the determinants. I have also told you the significance of the determinant. Okay, so many things, right? So, so vector algebra, matrix algebra, system of linear equations, rank of the matrix, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, right? So these are the topic. So I'm not going to focus on these mathematics, guys. Just you can go through, because mathematics means what? You don't have to find any map here, but core subjects you have to find the map with the maths. Okay. So here, what you have to do, you have to focus on solving system of linear equations. You have to focus on inverse and determinant eigenvalues problem, right? So you will find some question from here. Okay, certainly each year you will find one or two questions. Okay, and this section is for 13 marks. That also I am telling you, right? 13 marks, 12 to 13 marks you will find, and this is one of the important part. Okay, so calculus has got two part. Okay, one is nothing but single variable calculus, and one is multi-variable calculus. So I'm offering this year, okay, free classes to entire mathematics and aptitude, okay, for GATE Aerospace Engineering for GATE 2025, right? So you guys can reach to me, okay, on my given number. Understand? If you want to have complete access, I'm just going to give complete access on this YouTube channel. So you have to just share this YouTube channel among everyone, all the GATE aspirant, those who are preparing for GATE Aerospace. So single variable calculus and multivariable calculus, yes, the multivariable calculus is more important. Okay, but you need to understand single variable as well. Okay, so I have taught completely, okay, and I'm going to teach this year live, okay, for everyone. Okay, and this is going to be free. That is one, you can say one gift from Dheeraj Sir side, okay, for GATE Aerospace people, okay, the complete mathematics, and that will give you 25 to 28 marks, right, in GATE exam particularly, and you have to just prepare one or two subjects from aerospace, and you will get through that, okay. So calculus plays an important role. A closer connection of all the core topic is having, with the calculus. Okay. So you can go through these topics, and there are so many things. Like in case of single variable calculus, you will find function, limit, continuity, differentiability. Okay. In fact, I explained geometrical interpretation of differentiability and everything. Mean value theorem, chain rule. Okay, chain rule is one of the important fact. So where we apply chain rule? Whenever there is a composite function, guys, right? Nobody knows this. If you have got a composite function and you want to differentiate a composite function, you're going to use chain rule. Okay, many students do not know, just they mug up. Okay, partial derivatives, maxima, minima, gradient. What is the importance of gradient? What is the physical significance of gradient? You will find divergence. In fluid mechanics, you will find kind of the physical significance of divergence, curl. Okay, when your fluid is expanding, when your fluid is what contracting, you can say expanding means there is a divergence is positive. Okay, so I'm just going to show you everything. Okay, directional derivative, integration, line, surface, volume, integral. Okay, so all these things I'm gonna talk. Okay, and the next is a differential equation, right? Okay, next is differential equation. The first order ODE partial differential equation on separation of the variable, right? So these things I'm gonna discuss. And special topic, see, in your GATE Aerospace Engineering, there is a 90% question will be asked from the core topics. Okay, please remember that. Plus 10% question will be asked, okay, from the special topic. Okay, special topic. Please do remember this. Okay, 90% questions are going to be asked from the core topic. Okay, and okay, I hope this makes sense. Okay, so special topics are like Fourier series, Laplace transform, numerical methods. So one question is certain from numerical method. One question is certain from numerical method. Please do remember, okay? And the way IIT's numerical method is like, you can get through all the entire complete marks from this. You can expect 2 marks from here, right? And complex analysis, probability and statistics. Okay. Now let us come to your core and section 2. Okay. Okay. This is your aerospace engineering syllabus. So first section is mathematics that you have to study so that you can have the command, right? Understand? So you see here the core topic is at like under section 2 flight mechanics. There is atmosphere and aircraft classification. So what are the mathematics topic that you need before you get started this chapter? Okay, this topic, in fact, you must be good at basic algebra, the calculus for atmospheric properties, okay, and the pressure calculation, right? So you should be good at calculus as well as basic algebra, simple. And what are the preparation that you have to do? Understand the atmospheric models and the aircraft configuration, practice problem on the pressure, altitude and air speed conversions, right? So, but my main job is not to tell you what you have to prepare. My main job is to tell you the mapping. What are the important topic that is required, okay, to be able to understand atmosphere and the aircraft classification, right? So calculus as well as basic algebra, understand. Next topic is airplane performance. Okay, next topic है आपका airplane performance. Okay, nobody has given, no coaching has given this kind of mapping, guys. Now after releasing this video, many coachings are going to copy this, remember, okay? I'm telling you, right? You will find somewhere airplane performance. So algebra and calculus for drag polar, right, and performance calculation, right? So again you need some basic algebra, okay, some basic algebra, right, and the calculus. You can say algebra is nothing but pre-calculus skill where nothing like differentiation and simple manipulations, okay. So here you have to solve problem related performance metrics, okay, such as takeoff and landing distances, climb rates and VN diagrams, okay. So airplane performance. Okay, so this year I'm guiding free for entire GATE Aerospace. Okay, and there is a dedicated WhatsApp group also. Okay, that you can join, understand, and you can prepare under the guidance of me and my team for GATE 2025. From the 2026, I'm just going to release the complete paid course for GATE 2026 aspirant. Okay, connecting with all the. So we have got test series as well, right? We have got test series, we have got complete guidance, okay. So next is static stability. Okay, under flight mechanics you see here static stability is a topic, okay. So what are the mathematics that you need to understand static stability? You need differential equation, a linear algebra for stability derivatives and control analysis. See, now if you know simple, what to say, matrices and determinant, right, and you don't know the heart of linear algebra, you don't have the complete understanding of linear algebra topics, okay. In fact, you will find the material that I have created for engineering mathematics. If you are currently enrolled in some coachings, right, XYZ coachings, okay, so you will find my material, okay, that I have created, but they will never claim that yeah, Dheeraj sir has created that material, okay. If you find complete linear algebra concepts on that material, okay, they always will say yeah, this is XYZ work, this is XYZ kind of thing, okay. And that is the reason I departed from them, okay, because they never give you the credit that you have done something in the public, and inside the chamber, inside the behind the screen, you don't know what is happening, okay. That I will be revealing as we move ahead, understand. So you see this static stability, you must be good at differential equations, okay, linear algebra, understand. So what are the preparation that you have to do? Study stability criterion, control surface effects, practice problem on longitudinal and lateral stabilities, okay. So this is the topic. So I think now you understood algebra, calculus and differential equation. Please go through before you start this subject. And what are the special topics? So from the core topic, you can expect 90% questions. And let me tell you guys, If you're good at maths, so suppose you forgot this equation as well, right? I mean, some formula you forgot, you can derive it quickly and apply and get the answer. Okay. So if you're not good at maths, and I'm not talking about being good at maths means you're able to solve some problem. No, 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 no. You should know the physical importance, the geometrical meaning of that topic. Okay. Okay, you should be able to relate that topic with your physical problem, physical systems, right? And the next is special topic is dynamic stability, right? So here you need again differential equation, linear algebra, and see, linear algebra is required for Euler angles. I think everybody can witness here, right? You need one rotation matrix, okay, in order to compute Euler angles, right? So now, if I'm a mathematics teacher, right? So I can guide you better in this, right? Okay, what is rotation matrix? But most of the people, what they will do is they will directly write the a big, you can say, rotation matrix, and they will not tell you from where that matrix came and what is the property of rotation matrix, whether it is orthogonal or not, right? Then you think that, oh my god, it's a very big derivation. No, but my team is going to emphasize each and every topic along with the mathematics. Under the guidance of me, I have guided them, like I asked them to, relate each and every topic with the mathematics and then teach it. Okay. Chalo, next. So preparation solve the problem related to dynamic and Euler angles decoupling of dynamics, right? And let's move to section 3. That is nothing but space dynamics. So in order to prepare core topics like central force moment, the mathematics is required. See, remember, along with the mathematics, you need some basic physics as well, guys. Okay. Basic physics. But if you're good at maths plays an important role, right? Okay. Basic physics is okay, right? Understand? Central force moment, like motion. Basic physics means what is force, okay? Like you will also find SFD, VMD and all kind of a concept, like from the mechanics, engineering mechanics, okay? And engineering mechanics means it needs fundamental concept of physics. So here central moment, force moment means calculus, differential equation for trajectory and orbital mechanics, okay? Preparation में क्या पढ़ना है? You have to study Kepler's law, escape velocity, solve the trajectory problems using differential equations, okay? So if you have thorough understanding of differential equation, then you can understand this. You will not find it boring as well. It is so interesting. It becomes so interesting, okay? Next is this topic is, you see here, core topics, okay? Section 4, I'm just going to land in section 4. That is nothing but aerodynamics. So most of the students, okay, from my team, okay, there is one guy who is taking care of aerodynamics. He's at IIT Bombay. And one guy is at IIT Kanpur as well, okay, who is taking care of this aerodynamics, right? So in fact, you see here, you need in order to understand fluid mechanics and all, you need calculus for conservation laws and dimension analysis. So fluid mechanics, you need to understand divergence and everything, right? Okay. So you have to solve the problem involving mass, momentum, energy conservation, apply dimensional analysis to fluid. Okay. In case of potential flow theory, the most ignored topics like complex analysis. You need to be good at complex analysis if you want to understand potential flow theory. Okay. And guys, let me tell you, this is only the reason people fail, right? Because they're not good at maths, they don't focus on it, they just spend their time on potential, you can say that potential theory, understand? Okay. Or any core subjects, and they do not emphasize on mathematics and aptitude, right? So they fail in aerospace. They struggle to get 20-30 marks, okay? and and there are many reasons as well, right? Okay, you are not having access of my lectures, in particular in GATE Aerospace, because GATE Aerospace engineering means, and the mathematics means Dheeraj sir. that I have seen with my naked eyes. I will be also bringing some of the comments that a student has made after finishing the class. Okay. Then you will realize, yeah, what Dheeraj sir is saying, right? So yes. So you see here, next is going to be your airfoils. So please remember, guys, calculus for potential flow solution. So for potential flow theory, you need to be good at complex analysis and calculus. ठीक है, next. प्रिपरेशन आपको क्या क्या करना है आप देख सकते हो स्टडी पोटेंशियल फ्लो सॉल्यूशंस बाउंड्री लेयर इफेक्ट्स प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम सोर्स सिंक एंड वर्टाइसेस now airfoils and wings, right? So mathematics required is calculus algebra for aerodynamics coefficient and theories. Okay, solve problem related to airfoil theory, lift, drag, okay, induced drag calculations and all. Okay, so again calculus, algebra, okay, differential equation, complex analysis, all these things are required. Okay. And compressible flows में देखो calculus, differential equation, right? All these things are required. Understand? Special topic like wind tunnel testing, so basic measurement techniques, data analysis. Okay, and shock boundary layer interaction. So here you need calculus, differential equation, boundary layer interaction. See, let me tell you one more thing. See, everybody teaches maths, no problem. Okay, you will find everybody, and people will claim we have these guys. Okay, without any their agreement or consent, right? They will say that yes, we have this many teachers. Okay, we have around hundreds of teams. Okay, we are paying crores of rupee to them. Understand? Okay, and we have so many guys like who are solving doubts and everything, right? And you guys fall in trap. And out of that, yeah, certainly, out of you can say 500 students, 100 students will certainly get qualified. Okay, I mean in the gate. Okay, certainly. But why not all students? Because all students have paid the money, no? So all student must get qualified and must get good rank. Okay, but unfortunately they are not. The reason is mathematics and what? Fake claims. Okay, and nobody is there to solve the doubts. Okay, nobody is there. Only student collectively each other solve their doubts in the groups. Understand? So I'm just telling you all these facts so that you can decide. Okay. Okay, so remember the mathematics plays an important role. Okay, and this year I'm giving you free access to all. Now, preparation. Study interactions and effects on aerodynamics performance, right? So please remember, guys, the key. Okay, and now there are students. Okay, structure. They are studying at IIT Bombay. Those I have taught, right? IIT Bombay, and they are enjoying because they are good at maths, right? IIT Bombay. Okay, so strength of material. The required is like if you want to start structure like core subject, so you have to be good at strength of material. In order to strengthen this subject, you need to be good at calculus, linear algebra, stress strain, failure theories. See, let me tell you. As I told you, many teachers also struggle whenever they teach this topic. Okay, so if any mathematical concept comes into picture, they will struggle certainly, right? But in my team, nobody is struggling. That is for sure. Okay, so next is flight vehicle structure, mathematics. Okay, you can go through these things: structure, dynamics, differential equation. Okay, remember. And if I talk about the special topic like vibration of beams, differential equation, okay, theory of elasticity. Theory of elasticity में टो में what you need is the partial differential equation. Okay, partial differential equation. And the last topic which is given in the as a propulsion. So one of our team member also is at IIT Madras. He is currently pursuing MS. Okay. He is also, you can say that he's, doing research on propulsion, right? So he will be contributing. Okay. So I've taught him also mathematics and aptitude. He knows all these things, right? So please, you have to follow this PDF strictly, right? Okay, please go through mathematics and study mathematics from Dheeraj sir. That's it. Okay, so attend my live classes. You can contact me on my WhatsApp number, right? So mathematics required is the calculus. Okay, all these things. Okay. Aerodynamics में देखो calculus algebra, engine performance algebra calculus, almost everywhere differential equation. Okay, yeah. So what is my conclusion now? The conclusion that I'm gonna give you is the conclusion. Okay. See, the conclusion is prepare engineering maths first. Okay, and understand important understand the important significance. You can say physical significance. Okay, significance of and relate and map all topic with what, with your core and special topic. And there are not that much topic. Okay, you have to only focus on LA, linear algebra, calculus, differential equation, complex variable, right? uh, Laplace transform, probability, okay, and so on. That's it. Okay, these are the topic that you have to prepare. Okay, so I'm not going to make this video so long. Already I think it is 30 half an hour video. So please watch this video, guys, and if you want to join my classes, live classes, you can always come to me using my WhatsApp number and I will get in touch with you, right? So do prepare well. Okay, and mathematics plays an important role, and basic physics, right? So mathematics and engineering mechanics you have to study first. Okay, then you have to switch to other. Okay, but maths पहले पढ़ना है. Okay, so we will be meeting in next session with another update. This is one of the important updates that I wanted to give you, right? The important mapping, okay, of all the core and special topic with the mathematics. Thank you. Keep learning and get a good rank. Okay, that is my idea. And share this video among all. Thank you.